Hi, I'm Michael.
And I'm Dylan.
And we're students at Milwaukee School of Engineering. This is our ME-191 Computer Applications final project.
Our system is designed to scan for three objects: a small beanbag, a larger beanbag, and an eraser, and then it arranges them by size.
It does this by placing them over a solar cell and determining how much light they block.
We start out by just placing these objects randomly on the scan surface.
First, the plotter uses stepper motors to move precisely over all 16 zones. The infrared ranger sends back an analog input signal during each pause in its motion, which is calibrated using a predetermined power function.
After the scan is complete, the plotter moves to the bottom left-hand corner to avoid interfering with the robot arm. Here is the result of the 2D scan. As you can see, there is some variation in the empty zones, but there are only three values which surpass the preset limit of 0.3 inches.
Now, the program cycles through the values of this matrix one at a time. If an object is detected, commands are sent to the robot arm to move to the appropriate zone. The shoulder joint is moved left to come down on the object from above.
This avoids hitting other objects on the surface. Each object is then placed on the solar cell, after which the robot arm returns to its home position to allow the solar cell to take an accurate reading. While the other objects are being scanned, the robot places the three objects in zones A, B, and C.
These are intermediate zones that are used to hold the objects before getting placed in the size zone.
Here are the signals from the three objects. As you can see, the eraser has the lowest signal because it took up the most space on the solar cell, and the smaller beanbag has the highest signal because it took up the least space on the solar cell.
Finally, based on the signals from the solar cell, each object is arranged based on its size, with the largest object being closest to the robot and the smallest object being farther away.
Thank you for watching our video.